And thank you for always being so nice and everything. Like, whoa. Whoa. Thank you, Tony. Yeah, I'm good. I think I swallowed wrong, guys. Might be allergies. Yeah, I'm fine. It's springtime. How'd you get your account back on TikTok? I'm crying, guys, because I didn't. TikTok never replied to me. I messaged them like crazy for like a month. And they never replied to me. So I never got my main account back. Tears.